Assalamualaikum and greeting to Madam Adeline. My name is Muhammad Arif Akmal bin Muhammad Asri.
Assalamualaikum and greetings to Madam Adeline. My name is Muhammad Alif bin Muhammad Faisal from AP1146J.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Razman Aiman bin Muhammad Razi and I'm from AP1146J.
Assalamualaikum and greetings to Madam Adeline. My name is Syed Abdul Malik bin Syed Faisal from AP1146J. Alright, today my team and I are going to present our poster for our construction technology assignment. Here you can see our poster that we have made on demolition's work. The poster is vibrant with color and filled with lots of information. It varies from introductions to methods of demolition and the pros and cons of demolition works. Firstly, we start off with this section of the poster, which is the introduction. It states that demolition is the act of tearing down of buildings and other structures, the act of process of wrecking or destroying, especially destruction by explosives. Demolition of a building or structure can be considered under two types, which is partial and full. Partial means taking down partial demolitions of a structure, and full means demolition, complete removal of a structure.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Alif bin Muhammad Faisal and I will present about method of demolition. The first one is hand demolition method. Hand demolition method is the easiest method of the demolition, which use hammer, hand tools and others. This method may be used for small-scale project or when demolition has to be carried out in a more sensitive manner due to site constraints. It may be needs lifting appliances to demolish the upper floor. The demolition will start from roof and finish at ground floor. Shoot or skip may be used to bring down the debris from upper floor. Lastly, the distance of walkway or adjoining building should be greater than 6 meters or half the height of the building for the breeze to fall freely. The second one is pushing arm method. The pushing arm method is a method that uses machine fitted with a steel pusher arm. This method should use when the machine can be operated from a firm level base with a clear operating base of at least 6 meters. To operate this machine efficiently, the length of boom when fully extended should be at least 1.5 meters above the height of the building to be demolished. Finally, the pusher arm should not be overloaded and should be operated from outside of the building to avoid accident. The third one is demolition ball. This method categorized under progressive demolition and skill operator is needed. It is carried out by swinging demolition ball from a lifting appliances such as crane. There are three techniques that can be used, which is vertical method, swinging in line with jib, and slewing jib. Vertical drops means demolition ball from crane will be dropped vertically to the building. Next, swinging in line with jib means demolition ball will be swing to the left and right use convertible dragline excavator, while slewing jib means movable hoist to move the demolition ball horizontally in low and narrow. Last but not least, the demolition should proceed story by story and a clear space is required around the perimeter of the building to give machine operating space.
Method of demolition: explosive. Allow rapid and complete demolition. The explosives are placed within the fabric of the structure and detonate to cause partial or complete collapse. So for this method, needed specialist expert in explosives. This method allows rapid and complete demolition where other methods prove danger or slow. So next, deliberated collapse. This method involves the removal of key structural members causing complete collapse. This method can only be used on detached, isolated buildings. This method also should obtain an expert engineering advice before work starts. it must be clear surrounding area and excursion zone on reasonably stable site so that the safety to personnel can be carefully controlled. So, for the next slide, wire rope. Use steel wire rope with more than 38 mm diameter. The rope is put tight firmly at both ends and then pulling tension gradually. A well-anchored wing or heavy vehicle should be must to apply the pulling force. So, this method, the size should be educated with the purpose and workload. Great care must be taken to ensure that the wings or vehicle does not lift off its mounting wheels or track.
Now, I would like to share about advantages of demolitions. Working wall demolition is effective for concrete and masonry structures. Explosive demolition is the most visually impressive demolition technique and also the fastest method available. The pushing arm can be fitted with tools such as crusher or hammers to remove any material to great precision. The demolition debris can be recycled and reused as raw material. Disadvantage of demolition. Working wall demolition requires a highly trained operator to perform. Explosive demolition has high risk of projectiles flying around and may cause air pollution around the area. The pushing arm demolition is one of the slowest and most labor-intensive demolition methods. Hoarding of debris may happen and cause clutter around the construction site. Lastly, I want to share fun fact about demolition. Demolition phase of a commercial project where a building is being replaced is usually a minimal part of the budget. Demolition contractors are actually often called upon to help in historical preservation. A great deal of demolition works involve these constructions, which refers to the careful dismantling of a building in order to salvage materials. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.